Hey guys, Digital David here, just recording a quick follow-up video on these awesome LED motion sensing lights. Here's the one I installed in my closet. I have had to charge it once since I have published the unboxing video. It's done a great job. It's stuck right up there on the ceiling and I have not had any issues. So it really brings light into my closet right there, which is really cool and really muchly needed for that. So really happy with this one. Again, it just comes off right here. You can see that, and there's the light and there's the magnet, and then it should just stick right back up, and there's a little sensor. So really happy with it, really cool. Now we'll go look at the other ones. The second light did not fare as well as that first in my bedroom closet. I don't know if you can tell, but this is where this piece of plastic goes. And about the second or third time I went to charge this light, unfortunately the USB charging port broke off of it, so it got shoved way into here, and I was able to unscrew this to get it out, but I have no way of fixing it because it's really hard to see with this camera. Sorry about that. There's a little motherboard there, whatever you want to call it, circuit board, that it needs to be soldered back on, and there's just really, no way to repair that. And here's another little piece of plastic that broke off in the process. So this one did not fare very well like the other one in my closet, and then I have one more upstairs we'll go take a look at. Alright, so here's the third light that's in my pantry. You can see it works great. I do have the magnetic strip here, but every time I try to attach the light to it, it falls off the wall, so I'm not sure if it's a defective strip or just cheap material or it's my wall. So that's why it's zip tied up there. It's shining on our pantry. It does a great job. Really happy with it, but I did notice in this unit the battery does not last as long, and I'm not sure if it's defective because it only lasts a couple of days, where the other one lasts a couple of weeks, if not a month or so. So I'm not sure if it's defective or it's because it's in a highly trafficked area that we use multiple times a day, but it does have to be charged more frequently than the other ones had to. But really happy with this set. It's really cool. So hope this follow-up video helped you in making a decision. Feel free to ask me any other questions you may have. And hit that like button, hit that sub button, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.